Oh, it's just all so fresh. Oh, Leah, what's this?
This is our taro in Fiji, which is our root crop. And this is the same taro with the stems in it.
Fiji is a feast of all the senses. The water, the beaches, the palm trees and the most beautiful locals.
In Fiji, when you enter someone's home, they don't say, "How are you?" but "Have you eaten?" It's all about full tummies here. It's how Fijians show their love. I think I can do that.
Our first dish for today, which is kokonda. It's a marinated fish with a lime juice.
Beautiful.
And there's no one better to show me the Fijian way of cooking than Leah from the Flavours of Fiji cooking school in Getaway.
So take a piece of fish. We're going to slice it into small little cubes. Okay. Should be all the same size, fellow cooks. Yes.
Mentioned that a bit late.
Fiji was never high on the foodie radar, but times have changed and the local Indo-Fijian cuisine is being embraced and celebrated for all its seasonal goodness.
Use your hand to be your strainer. Squeeze your lemon, please. Remember, no seeds.
Yes.
Yes, no seeds.
So the lemon's doing most of the work for us.
So now we're going to leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
Luckily for us, Leah did the marinating this morning and is now giving us a masterclass in coconut cream.
I love the way you're just using your hands. There's no devices, electronics, it's just you and your hands. This is the traditional way.
Yes. So remember, you have to use your lady's power here.
Yes.
Okay.
The power of a woman's hands.
Yes.
What else was it used for?
Even we put it on our hair, as I already
Your hair?
mentioned. Yes. Put it on your grey hair, it turns black again.
Oh, wow. This could be $1 million business here for you, Leah.
So there you go. You can see that is the fresh coconut thick cream.
Wow.
Okay. We're going to add it in your bowl of marinated fish.
Okay. Beautiful. Look at that.
There are no exact recipes here. Cooking is to taste.
Just cut a bit of chilies. Put back your leftover in your silver plate.
Oh, so just that tiny, tiny little
Yes.
bit is all you need?
Yes.
Fijian chili's strong.
But for me, I love chilies.
Oh.
Okay. So I'm going to cut half of the chili.
Oh,
But
Leah, that's too much.
I hardly cry, I tell you. Okay?
The ingredients are tossed in liberally and everything is served in abundance.
I like mine.
Do you really like yours with all the
hot and
chili?
Spicy, yes. Would you like to have a taste?
No.
Okay.
I love it though.
Okay.
This is wonderful.
Can you taste everything in the...
That's it.
coconut
It's the
milk?
natural ingredients. That's what excites me so much. It's fresh, it's simple and healthy food.
And the highlight of learning to cook new dishes is the feast that awaits us at the end.
I learned today that to become a Fijian cook, you don't need hours and hours of training. You just need to cook from the heart. Thank you. Binaka.
Pinaka.
5 minutes from the cooking school is one of Denarau's best 5-star hotels. The Sofitel has been welcoming holidaymakers with their perfect blend of bulla and bonjour, with its French provincial touches for over a decade. The resort sits at palm tree height. Most of the rooms have views to water of some sort, and it wouldn't be 5-star without some pampering. The spa is a tranquil oasis of French and Fijian serenity tucked away in the gardens. Not only does it have a full spa menu of blissful treatments, it has a dedicated menu for kids. The large lagoon-style pool is the hub of the family-friendly resort. The Sofitel has many loyal staff who have been here since it opened, including Simon the woodcarver who sits by the pool daily, turning planks of wood into all kinds of Fijian marine life and traditional weapons as souvenirs of your holiday. In an effort to keep all guests happy, there are designated wings for families with rooms that can accommodate up to 4. The adults-only wing comes with access to the Waitui Beach Club, Sofitel's adults-only pool, bar and restaurant, offering complimentary cocktails at sunset. Fiji has been a revelation for me. One bulla and I was hooked. I could certainly get used to this Sofitel way of life. Check out this sunset. Just another day in paradise.